Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just bringing another video out to you tonight about 3 top value stocks to buy in January. I made another video about Intel just a couple minutes ago that should be released here soon, as well as you can check out my other Intel video from yesterday in the library. I'll put the link in the description as well. But anyway, 3 top value stocks to buy in January. And I said this on a video or two a while back, and then I keep forgetting to do it. I'm going to start throwing a joke in here just to kind of get the party started off on the right foot. But here we go. If you don't look back on your younger self and say, "I used to be stupid," you're probably still stupid. I thought that was a good one. I'll read it to you again. If you don't look back on your younger self and say, "I used to be stupid," you're probably still stupid. Anyway, if you like it or not, you can leave a comment if you didn't like it either way. And if you have a joke, go ahead and put that in the comment. That'd be awesome. So, back to the 3 top value stocks to buy in January. I'm not going to read the article to you. I'm just going to show you the points. But the first one, I believe it's pronounced NTNX. That's how I'm going to say it. But anyway, in the age where many cloud software stocks trade at 20, 30, or even 40 times sales or higher, hyper-converged infrastructure software provider NTNX looks downright cheap at only 5 times sales. That's especially true for the hyper-converged infrastructure products. Helps companies run applications across multiple clouds, hybrid clouds, and on-prem data centers, a market that's projected to grow 21% through 2023. So this, I think, would be one to look at. Again, I don't give tax, legal, trading advice, don't tell you when to buy or sell. I'll leave that up to your own due diligence. Also, if you haven't hit that like button, what are you waiting for? It's the new year. And if you haven't subscribed, there's lots of you out there watching my videos who have not subscribed. You don't want to miss one of my awesome videos. You might miss the next joke. So get up and hit that like button for me. Slap it around, kick it, hit it, tickle it if you will. But back to NTNX. As you can see what it did here on the last day of trading, so maybe it is one worth looking at here. Started off at 32.80, looks like it was about the high, and then just kind of dropped off. So don't know what was going on with it that day. The last day of trading was kind of an odd day, so maybe it got up to here and people started taking profits, would be my guess. But in the past month, it's had a good run up, 14%. 3 months, it's had a great 3 months. So this one might be worth looking into. I don't own any shares of this one, but it might be one to watch. If you don't know what they are, they engage in the provision of enterprise virtualization and storage solutions, specializes in cloud operating system. And you can feel free and pause and read the rest. It does not give a dividend for you dividend investors. It's been around since 2009, 6.42 market cap, so not too bad. Not the best ratings, 47%. Looks like the earnings and everything are kind of up and down, but anyway, let's see what tip ranks it as a moderate buy. Analyst price target of 33.50, so and it's close, so we'll see what happens. Looks like it hasn't recovered the what it was up to before the pandemic and the drop off. So anyway, you can leave a comment about that one. Again, I'm not going to read the whole article to you. Just trying to make a quick video. Just came across this one. But anyway, number 2. The reason this article caught my eye is because I just did a video about Bank of America yesterday. And so Again, this one caught my eye, but I think the banks are going to have a turnaround here, so I think 21 hopefully will be a good year for them. So recessions are never great for financial institutions, but they are often some of the best times to buy beaten down banks, provided those banks survive. No problem there for Bank of America, which currently Warren Buffett's favorite bank and his second largest public stock holding. And as you probably already know, I believe, I don't know if he got rid of all of the Wells Fargo and some other banks. I don't know which ones he had. I didn't pull up that article. But he did keep Bank of America for some reason. As I told you in my other video, I've had Bank of America for a couple years and was just trying to follow in Warren's footsteps. So I'm also in Omaha, Nebraska, but feel free to pause the article. We'll just take a quick look here. If you'd like to pull up my other video, feel free, and you can get more information on Bank of America that way as well. But Bank of America currently having some trouble with Robinhood here, maybe. Anyway, here we are back. Bank of America it looks like they had a really great day on the last day of trading, so it went up to 30.33 from 29.91 is basically where it's been hovering this whole time, about 29.91, but looks like it had a great day the last day of trading, so we'll be on the up and up for it. And I believe if this doesn't come up, we will move on, but you can check my other videos in regards to how it was ranked here. Maybe my internet crashed. Just 1 second here, I apologize. Here, it's starting to come up. Anyway, moderate buy on Bank of America, and analysts are projecting $34.08. So it's got a ways to go. I believe earlier in the year, yes, it was up to that, and they haven't quite reached the pre-pandemic high, and then it just kind of dropped off. But anyway, that is the bank that made it on the list. Again, I'm not going to read all this to you. You can pause it. Next is Applied Materials. I don't have any of Applied Materials either. I've looked into it in the past. If you have any of these, go ahead and leave that in the comments if you would. But again, a semiconductor equipment stock, Applied Materials, AMAT, is also wildly underrated by Wall Street heading into 2021, trading at just 17.7 times next year's earnings estimates, despite booming spending on advanced semiconductors. So again, this one's in the semiconductor. Last year they had a great year. Besides Intel, I just made another Intel video, so feel free to check that one out. I just did another one today as well as one yesterday on Intel, so feel free to check that one out. But this one, just kind of talked about some 5G there. I'm going to be coming out with some 5G videos. That's another interest to me. So you can let me know which 5G videos you'd want to see. That would be interesting to know. But Applied Materials engages in the provision of materials engaging solutions used to produce new chip and advanced display. And again, if you'd like to pause that, you can read the rest for yourself. Just trying to make a quick video here. But you can kind of see what the last day of trading did. It's just kind of up and down. I've looked at this one in the past. I've never purchased it ever. The last 3 months has kind of had a nice run up. They didn't dive too much during the pandemic. Looks like it's been kind of trading a little bit uphill, but I would call that kind of flat, and then just kind of a recent run up here. But a 76% buy rating, and let's see what strong buy. So take the analyst of what it's worth, but this is showing a $92 analyst price. I found some other two here articles on Applied Materials. What does their debt look like? So I was kind of looking at this. Again, this is on Benzinga. Feel free to pause it. So it says increased 39.6 in the past 3 months. Before having a look at the importance of debt, let's look at how much debt Applied Materials has. So that might be kind of a turnoff. Maybe that's kind of what the up and down has been. So their long-term debt at $5.45 billion and current debt is at zero, amounting to $5.45 billion in total debt, adjusting for $5.35 billion in cash equivalents, and the company's net debt at $97 million. So, I mean, there's a lot of companies out there with debt. I don't get into the ratios, figuring, and all that on my channel. I do look at that on my own, but I just don't get into it here on the channel. Just kind of bringing some of these to your attention and just giving you something to look at and think about here. Again, I don't tell you when to buy, sell, don't give legal or tax advice. I'm just bringing these to your attention so we can build a community and all make money together. Why Applied Materials is Needham's top semi-pick for 2021. And then again, I think it's worth looking at. But it's maintained a buy rating on the Applied Materials and up the price target from $82 to $110, so which is a good thing. Named the stock as its top semiconductor capital equipment pick for 2021, and also added Applied Materials to its conviction list. Again, you feel free to pause the article and read that. Again, that's on Benzinga if you'd like to look it up. But Needham shows a maintain. To buy, Morgan Stanley maintains to equal weight, and Credit Suisse maintains to outperform. So the ratings looks like they're getting a little bit better. So, and again, Robinhood showed it as a 76%. And TipRank showed it as a strong buy, so you can do your own homework, own due diligence on this one. Again, I was just bringing some of the 3 top ones in January of 21 to your attention, and just kind of seeing what your thoughts were on those. So again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. If you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit that. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. I should have a couple videos being turned out here shortly, one right after the other, just waiting for them to load. And go ahead and leave me some comments and let me know of some other videos you'd be interested in. And again, these are the 3 stocks to buy in January. Let's have a great January, a great 2021, and all make money together. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers. See you in the next one.